Hi, I'm Nick Thomas and I'm a Senior Software Engineer at Domin. POLARIS is all about optimizing our production process in order to increase capacity and increase efficiency. By increasing efficiency, improving our processes, future-proofing our technology, we will move forward towards our mission of transforming motion control. So POLARIS will change really fundamentally three main factors. First one being the current performance testing is done at 70 bar and takes about an hour. We're going to investigate how we can reduce that pressure and would save about 90% of energy consumption. We will deploy machine learning models to correlate between lower and higher pressures, and we will look to optimize the test routines to reduce test time to 20 to 30 minutes compared to 1 hour. And we will create data-driven models to determine early failures and make sure that we can scrap parts earlier in the production process. And on top of that, we will develop an advanced manufacturing scheduling system using IoT-based utilization and availability data. So the long-term impact of this project will be a dramatic increase in our production capacity in a more efficient manner. Alongside other projects at Domin will mean that our lead time is measured in days, not weeks or months as industry standard. So I'm really excited about POLARIS because I can see how we're going to have such a large increase in our production capacity in a more efficient manner. So it's doing more with less, not just our valves, but also our testing process. And we can create the next generation of test rigs which are as impactful as the valves that they test and produced. I think ultimately I can see the value that each valve brings in terms of cost savings to customers. Approximately $400 per valve per year, and also the energy saving, 1 metric ton of CO2 equivalent per valve every year. So if a customer has 10 valves, the saving is quite significant.